Grace coming to you from the Plant Select Demonstration Garden at Denver Botanic Gardens Chatfield Farms. Last month we talked about plant select plants that have really nice winter interest. We covered plants that have really nice texture and form, but today I wanted to go over some plants that have really nice winter and fall color. So let's go over some of those. One of the first plants I'd like to discuss is Tanacetum densum subspecies Amani. This is the Partridge Feather. It has, you can see, this really nice bluish silver foliage, and it stays like this all winter. So this plant here with this beautiful red foliage is Eriogonum umbellatum, KANNAH CREEK. So this plant really is a showstopper during the summer whenever it's blooming, but then in the winter, once you cut some of those seed heads down, the foliage turns this really nice, beautiful red, almost purple. And I think it pairs really well with that partridge feather I mentioned earlier. And then there's even some Delosperma ice plant here that's kind of holding on to some evergreen color. But I think that silver and reddish purple kind of go pretty well together. So we switched locations to our rock garden here at Chatfield Farms to talk about Arenaria Wallowa Mountain, the desert moss. This is a really cool plant select plant, known just for its evergreen foliage. You can see it's not as bright green right now, but it still has a really pretty color. It'll be really bright green, kind of closer to this in the spring and summer throughout the growing season. No visible flowers or anything like that, but it has this really cool creeping kind of habit. Super low water requirements for this one. This is another one you can kind of just plant and water it in until it's established and then step away and enjoy it. And lastly but not least, in our rock garden we have some of the Penstemon pinifolius SteppeSuns Sunset Glow. This is another one that has really beautiful evergreen foliage. You can see here we've deadheaded the flowering stalks down to just get back down to that beautiful foliage there. It's kind of scattered around this garden. That's a really nice one for all season interest. Beautiful blooms in the summertime and then a beautiful color during the winter. As always, thanks for tuning in to learn about some of these plant select plants that are my favorite and that we have here on site at Denver Botanic Gardens Chatfield Farms. Come check us out. We're open year round. There's beauty around here. And thanks always for watching.